This is not real. Please, wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
This is Yang, Yang, the white, and Yin, the dark. Neither one of us exists without the other. The word Yang originally means, or is associated with, the south side of a mountain, which is sunny. Yin, the north side, which is dark. Yang is the north bank of a river, which gets the sun. Yin is the south bank of a river, which is in the shade. Now, you see, you don't get a mountain with only one side. The mountain, if it's a mountain at all, goes up and down. Difference is identity. Identity is difference. There is no Yang without Yin, no Yin without Yang. Really, the fundamental, ultimate mystery, the only thing you need to know to understand the deepest metaphysical secrets is this: that for every outside there is an inside, and for every inside there is an outside. And although they are different, they go together, because variety is the spice of life. What is esoteric, what is profound, and what is deep is what we will call the implicit. What is obvious and on the open is what we will call the explicit. And I and my environment, you and your environment, are explicitly as different could be. But implicitly, you go together. Your behavior is not something that can be separated from the behavior of the world around you. Suchness comes and goes like everything else because this whole world is an on and off system. As the Chinese say, it's the Yang and the Yin. And therefore it consists of now you see it, now you don't, here you are, here you aren't. Because that's the very nature of energy, to be like waves. Imagine that off is finally going to triumph over on. And so we're constantly trembling and thinking that it may, because after all, isn't it odd that anything exists? It's most peculiar, it requires effort, it requires energy, and it would be so much easier for there to have been nothing at all. Therefore we think, well, Since the is side of things is so much effort, you always give up after a while and you sink back into death. But death is just the other face of energy. And it's the rest, the not being anything around, that produces something around. And so when you find that out, you become full energy and delight. As Blake said, energy is eternal delight.
So then, if these two fishes, as it were, wake up, if this one wakes up, this one wakes up, which is called awakening, they realize they're one. They're inseparable from each other. And this realization is that experience, that underlying all that is negative in the world, all that is in a way painful and evil, there is a kind of necessity. Disorder is necessary for the manifestation of order, and then when one sees that, a profound transformation takes place in one's attitude.